Have you ever wondered why frequent bathroom trips become more common as men age? Well, the culprit often lurking behind this discomfort is an enlarged prostate. This condition can greatly affect a man's quality of life, leading to symptoms like frequent urination, especially at night, and difficulty starting and stopping urination. It's a common issue, but one that can be managed effectively with natural remedies. But worry not, today we bring you a simple, natural solution to this problem. Imagine if a daily cup of tea could help alleviate these symptoms. Enter a special tea, brimming with potent ingredients like saw palmetto berries, pygeum bark, and green tea leaves. Each of these components carries unique health properties. Saw palmetto berries are known for their anti-inflammatory benefits, pygeum bark for its prostate health support, and green tea leaves for their antioxidants. Together, these ingredients can potentially aid in reducing the size of an enlarged prostate. Now you may be curious about how to prepare this beneficial tea. Stay tuned. Creating this health-boosting tea is simpler than you think. Let's dive right into the process. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped stinging nettle leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped saw palmetto berries, and 2 cups of purified water. These ingredients are key to this tea's power. Stinging nettle has been long celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties, while saw palmetto berries are known for promoting prostate health. Next, bring your water to a rolling boil in a pot. Once it's boiling, add your stinging nettle leaves and saw palmetto berries. Stir them in gently, allowing them to fully immerse in the water. Now, reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 15 minutes. This process allows the beneficial compounds of the ingredients to be released into the water, creating a potent brew. After 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and let the tea cool down for a few minutes. Then, strain the mixture into your favorite mug or teacup. Remember, the magic of this tea lies in its consistency of consumption. Make it a part of your daily routine, and over time, you should start to see its benefits. And there you have it, a simple yet potent tea that can potentially shrink an enlarged prostate. Enjoy this healthful brew and embrace the journey towards better prostate health. To quickly recap what we've learned today. We began by understanding the issue at hand, an enlarged prostate. It's a common condition that men face as they age, leading to discomfort and frequent bathroom trips. We've seen how it can disrupt daily life, and the importance of finding a solution that's both natural and effective. Next, we delved into the world of herbal remedies and discovered one special tea. This unique blend, steeped in traditional wisdom, has shown promising results for prostate health. Not only does it offer potential relief from the symptoms of an enlarged prostate, but it also champions a holistic approach to health. We then rolled up our sleeves and walked through the process of preparing this prostate-shrinking tea. It's surprisingly simple, requiring only a few ingredients and a bit of patience. The process itself is therapeutic, adding another layer of benefits to this healthful regimen. Lastly, we emphasize the importance of regular consumption. Consistency is key in reaping the benefits of this special tea. It's not a one-time miracle cure, but rather a lifestyle change that promotes overall well-being. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. And what better way to start than with a warm, soothing cup of tea? Remember, a cup of this special tea a day keeps the urologist away. Thank you for joining us today and take care of your health.